Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change Messenger notification sound. So let's start the video. First go to your Messenger app. Now select the three straight line up here. Now click on the settings bar here. Scroll down. Click notification and sound here. Now you can see the ringtone option. Click here. This is the default ringtone of Messenger. You can choose any of the ringtone you like from here. But if you want to customize your ringtone, you have to go customize notification here. Now scroll down. Click sound here. And custom ringtone. Click custom ringtone here. Here you can select any music from your library, from your mobile storage, and set it as a Messenger notification tone. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.